Hello viewers, welcome back to the Moose Mobile Auto Repair channel. And so today we are just going to be doing a quick review on the Milwaukee M18 fuel, the half-inch impact wrench. This is the high torque impact wrench. It's the latest one that's available from Home Depot. So we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing and short review of this. So I'm just going to open up the box. Usually I don't keep these boxes. I toss them up. I toss them out. This is the owner's manual and the impact itself. And then there's just a pamphlet for the other tools that are available, and they usually have like a contest or something. You enter in the code. You enter in the code, and then you're able to get to be put into a draw to enter the contest. Uh, I'm not going to be using this because I don't win anything anyways. But the first one to use this code will be able to be entered into the contest. So I do have the older version that I've been using for quite a few years now, I think. And I have the M18 XC 5.0 battery. So it's exactly uh, it uses the exact same battery type. And they do have the other ones like the 6.0 and stuff. So it depends on what you want to use. So this one is slightly shorter than the old one. So it has a bit more power, and it's a bit more shorter than the other one. So this one, forgot to mention the part number here is 2967-20 for this one. I purchased this for $298 plus taxes, Canadian, at the Home Depot store. So if you want to get one, you can go to Home Depot to buy this. The older one that I'm using, I'm not sure if I'm able to see the part number still, 2767-20. That one is the old one. So I have a battery that is fully charged, so I'm going to be using this for this test, and I'm going to be using that battery for this test, and just go from there. This one, I do this. Should be able to go, not going in all the way. There we go. This is the forward and the reverse, and there's the speed at the bottom here. It's on the maximum speed. This is for reverse, I believe. I leave it on 3. So right now I'm working on a 2010 Toyota Corolla. These are just aftermarket wheels. These are torqued to roughly 76 foot-pounds, rounded up to 80. So these don't require too much torque to take off. Unfortunately, I don't have like a pickup truck or something that has a higher torque for the lug nut, so I'm just using this as my test example. So just going to take off the lug nuts now. So this impact is just as strong and similar to the other impact. This one has a little bit more power than the previous uh, older one. So the wheel is off now. I'm just going to put the wheel back on and use a torque stick to tighten it up. You probably have to be careful with this impact because it produces a lot of power. So if you want, you can put this on the low speed to tighten it to tighten up the lug nuts. I forgot to mention this also has the three LED lights if you're working in the dark. So it will make it a tiny bit easier to work with this. So now I'm just going to reinstall the wheel. I'm just going to reinstall the wheel now. I don't want this video to be like too boring, so I'm just going to speed things up a little bit. So I'm just going to tighten up the lug nuts now. Just going extremely slow. So even you have a torque stick, it's still possible to over tighten this. So you have to be careful. Just go very lightly on the trigger so that you don't over tighten it. So that's it for this one. I'm just going to do the other side. I just have both of the front wheels off, so I'm going to do the other side off camera. Then after I'm going to torque everything down. So that's it for this one. This impact is pretty decent, and it works just as good and just as well as the old one. I have the old one over here. So this is the comparison side to side. So this one is just the improved version of this. This has a little bit more torque. I can post the specifications later in the comments section and and in the description. So this one is just a slightly slimmed down version of the other one. They are both a high torque. So the expectations of this is just as good as this one. This one is about maybe like half a pound less compared to the old one. So it's a lot easier when you hold it in the hands. So this one is a win in my books because you don't have to use air tools, and plus this this is has the capability of removing pretty much any lug nuts uh, on any vehicles. So you probably should not have any issues unless you're working on something else like on transport trucks or something. Then that's a whole new different story. So that's it for today. This was just a very brief and short review because I just bought this, so I just wanted to see on how it worked. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And please don't forget to hit that bell notification. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and take care.